25 pupils for the acceptance.
In behalf of the graduating students of Prosperidad Adventist Learning Center, school year 2022 to 2023, I am turning over this key of responsibility to you, which symbolizes the duty and responsibility to protect the good name of this school and to support the school vision to continue the spread of Christian spirit, value, and way of life. As we move to a higher educational level, I will make sure that this responsibility is turned over to the incoming senior students of this school. Thank you for accepting this key, and God bless.
As an incoming senior student of this school, batch 2023-2024 of Prosperidad Adventist Learning Center, I humbly and wholeheartedly accepted this key of responsibility that you entrusted to me. The noble legacy that you lead in our school will endure and inspire us to pursue excellence and success of our dear alma mater. Congratulations, batch 2023-2024.